Going to have a quick look at a function called goal seek. Bear with me as I start to share my screen with you. Okay, it could be that a company or an individual knows the desired outcome from a formula. Okay, goal seek allows you to reach a specific solution by changing one cell only. In this example, tells me, okay, what the repayment monthly repayment amount is going to be on a loan of 12,000, an interest rate of 15%, and over a term of 5 years. Okay, it could be though that I can only afford to spend £200 a month. Okay, so we're going to have a look at what goal seek can do for me by changing one figure only. Okay, what we need in here though, if you look into the cell B9, okay, we can see that we've got the payment, okay, the PMT function. Okay, that's required in here to actually work out the original amount based on the given information about the loan amount, the number of years of the term, and the actual interest rate. Okay, so remember PMT, okay, will give you the payment amount on a constant, okay, on a constant interest rate and over a period of time. Okay, so we had a look at that before. If I look into the FX just to refresh your memory. Okay, so the interest rate is B5, okay, 15% divided by 12, okay, remember, because it's monthly. Okay, the N per, okay, is again B6, the number of years, okay, or the term. Okay, but remember, we express the N per again in months. Okay, so 5 years would have to be multiplied by 12, okay, in the calculation that we have here. Okay, and then the PV, okay, or the present value is the amount that we want to, we're going to borrow. Okay, so that's just to refresh you from there. Okay, so we're going to have a look at what the goal seek will do for us. Okay, so we need to go to the data tab, and we have over on the right hand side within forecasting, what if analysis. And we're going to select goal seek. Okay, so a little dialog box pops up. We want to set the cell B9, okay? We want to change the cell in here. We want to change it to 200. Okay, so remember, we put in minus 200 because it's money that's going out. And £200 is all I can afford to repay. Okay, so then we want to change the cell B7. Okay, so I want to know, based on an interest rate of 15% over a 5-year term, if I can afford to pay £200 a month, okay, how much can I afford to borrow? Click on OK. It may take a little while, okay, and if it does take a while, you can click into step and it'll take you through each of the stages of the calculation. So you can see there, on £200 a month over that term, I can afford to borrow £8,406. Okay, let's have a look at another situation. I'm just going to cancel out of that and I'm going to change another cell. Okay, so this time we're going to change the loan to £5,000. Okay, and I'm going to work out how much it's going to, how long it's going to take me to repay, okay, £5,000 over or on £100 a month. Okay, so again, data tab, what if analysis, goal seek. Okay, so I want to set the cell B9 to minus 100, okay, by changing the cell B6 this time. Okay, so I'm changing the years. So I can afford to pay £100 a month, but I can afford to pay it over, I'm going to pay it, I want to see how long it's going to take me to repay it, at that amount. Click on OK. Okay, so we can see there that it's 6.57, blah, blah, blah. We would just need to, I've cancelled that. We would need to just obviously round it up. Sorry, I'll go back into there. So it's setting the cell B9 to minus 100 as it's an outgoing by changing the length of the term. Click OK. If I click OK this time, then obviously I can go back to the Home tab and I can decrease the decimal, which will round it up to almost 7 years. Okay, so that's very quickly how we can do goal seek. Thank you.